it's Gwelda. I just wanted to show you so you have an idea when you click on tickets for meetings that you're going to come to this page. Now, you're only going to do this part for the first time. So you only have to fill in your information once. And there might be added information later, but you can just edit your account. So the links are going to bring you to this page. It's BC Women's Business Network and member portal, but up here it's going to say Bubble, and that's just the program that was used to create this. So first time you come here, you're going to click sign me up. You're then going to fill in your name. So this is just my test person. Login email is going to be, I'll just use one I don't use very often. Create your password. Has to be a minimum of 8 characters. Okay, your business name. And then you're going to choose your business type. So you can click on select. You can do a search for it, or you can scroll through. There's quite a few of them. They're all in alphabetical. So, but it's not exhaustive. So you might, oh, that's supposed to say woodworking, not wordworking. Okay, so if you can find your business here, then click on that. If you cannot find it here, then go to not in list, and then you're going to just describe the business type. So one of the ones I know I don't have there is Reiki. One of the ones I need to add. So what this is going to do, I'm going to get the message that an other business type was added. And then what I'll do is I'll add it into here. So then when you look at your account later, the business type will show in here what your business type is. So let's say it's a Reiki master. So then I will be able to add. You're going to check your default chapter. Now, this is just the one that you're most likely going to go to. It doesn't mean you can't go to any of the others. What this means is that every time you come, it's going to default to that chapter. So it's not a different link for every chapter. It's one link to your account, and then you choose which chapter you're going to choose. So I'm just going to choose that. I'm going to say sign me up. At this point, it's sending me an email. So I'm just going to go to my email down here, and where I can find my Gmail. So you're just going to get an email, and it's basically going to say confirm. Please click here to confirm. So you do that, and then this up here, you get a new box, you get a new tab that says you can either close this window and go to your previous window, or you can click here. So either you click here and it'll take you there, or we go back to this one and it says your email is verified. So now we can go, this is your account. I'm just going to show you this. So this is all of your information. If you have a membership plan, it will populate in here. It's linked to our other system, so it knows exactly what membership plan you're on. It has your business profile. So it'll be here afterwards. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to move that, or you do. Registrations, anything that you've been registered will be there, and your entitlements will be here as well. So going back to chapter meetings, the one that we chose as our default was Nanaimo. So that's the one that pops up first. And then you click to go to the registration page, and it tells you right here your cost. If you go to purchase, if you have a coupon, you add your coupon code here. And over here, you just fill in your information. Mark is looking at adding PayPal, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure why with Stripe there isn't an option for using your bank card, but maybe that's something that you have to set up in Stripe, is link Stripe to your bank as well if you have a Stripe account. And so then you pay, you fill in all your details, you pay. And once you've purchased, then of course this would say registered and this would be gone. You can only choose the current meeting that's upcoming. You cannot go in and purchase several meetings in a row because that's a membership that you need to, in order to be able to do that, to be pre-registered for upcoming meetings, then that's our business growth or business innovator memberships. So with your other memberships, you're not exclusive. You cannot go ahead and grab all the meetings that, upcoming meetings. I just want to go back here and show you, because I am, and what this is going to do down here, your name would be down here. This is my chapter. So my name is here, but this is down here will list all the people that are registered. We will eventually add our emails in here as well, so that this basically is going to be your list that you typically get when you go to a meeting. So basically what it'll do is it'll have name, email, and business name, and that will be your contact for the other people that you've met in case you want to go out for coffee or talk about possible collaborations. Again, it's not to add to your email list. These people are not coming to the meeting to become each other's customers. They're coming here to figure out ways to grow our businesses. And so that's collaborations, referrals, all of that sort of thing, and getting to know each other. We're there to build relationships. So go out and have coffee, get to know each other for sure. The other thing that will happen is if somebody else now tries to register for the Chilliwack chapter meeting and they are a business coach, a lot of us are going to have the same business type, but they will not be able to register because that business type has already been taken. So we are still maintaining our exclusivity as far as business types. There will only be one per business type. And that's how this is going to work. This is going to be so much better. You will also get an email regarding your account, but you can always come in and check your account and see exactly what you've registered for. So now under my account, it's not going to show here, but under registrations, because I didn't actually pay for that one, it's going to show here. All of your registrations will show here. So now when you're like, oh gosh, I think I registered, but I'm not sure, you have somewhere to come and check and actually make sure that you did do it. And the link to this one is member.bcwomensbusinessnetwork.com if you want to just go in yourself, but there will also be a registration link now on events. So rather there being a purchase now link for each meeting, there will only be one. You can always go there, click on that. It basically opens up your account and then you can check to see where you're at. And that's about it. I'm super excited about this. There are still a lot of things that there's little bugs here and there. So please let me know as soon as something does not work properly for you. Send me a detailed account of what you were doing and what's not working. And then I can send a report to my husband and he can work on that. And just like a super high priority, we need to get this fixed. So we need to know every instance that something does not work for you. Just because it's still a beta test, it's not finished by any means. We are really close and definitely at the point where we need to start testing it in real time. So you are our guinea pigs right now. And yeah, but enjoy this, because I think from now on, when you come in, you don't ever have to fill in your information again. You just go to the chapter meeting that you want and purchase it. And if the business type is available, then you will be able to purchase it. And if that business type is already gone, then you won't. So I will talk to you again soon.